to the Nation YouTube channel. Today I am at Niyaaz's workshop. We're doing a video on Jerome's car. We're doing a timing cover gasket. So he's got a leak on the timing cover and O-rings and everything but the Toyota. Niyaaz will be changing that. I just thought because it's a common problem on the 2ZZ actually, those of you that don't know what needs to be replaced. So yeah, I want to still speak long, but yeah, enjoy the video. This is Jerome, and he's also part of the group. He's been part of us for a while already. Doesn't really speak a lot in the group, but yeah, he takes note, and if he needs help, he asks me and stuff. So yeah, welcome Jerome.
Thanks, good morning everybody.
Yeah, so Jerome, you just want to tell us how long you have your car for now?
I got the car about 5 years now. I bought it from a dealership. It's originally from Joburg.
Okay.
I've done nothing to the car, it's still stock, very stock. The only thing I've done is put in like lowered springs. The car is also due for a spray, which I will probably be taking to Refinish Auto. I have chatted to him already.
Okay.
So just trying to get the funds so I can get that done.
Okay, sure. I hope you enjoyed your time and your stay here in the 2ZZ Nation.
It's been very educational. Yeah. The guys talk a lot of nonsense, but also a lot of sense sometimes, and I follow the advice I get, and so far it's been working out and it's been good. Enjoying my time here with 2ZZ.
Nice shot, lekker pas shoot what Niyaaz is doing. I'll take you through the process, what needs to be done and all of that. Thanks for your time, Jordan.
Shot
now, bro. The white wheels on. Yeah, that's obviously needs a spray there, like you said. But yeah, the car's still quite stock, like you said. No issues. Timing cover gasket is basically over here, right? So this is the tappet cover, and that's the timing cover for those of you that don't know. So yeah, that all this needs to come out here. I'll show you now. Niyaaz just went to get something quickly inside, but I'll show you once we start. So basically, these are the two gaskets. Just getting the part number there. This is the, I think this is a water pump gasket for the timing cover, and then there's this one as well. There's this one as well. So yeah, that's the two. Okay, so that two bolts comes loose. Then it's that bolt's there. Then it has a strip to it, but yeah. So what bolts will come loose? That no?
Tappet cover bolts.
All the tappet cover bolts. That two. The bunch bolts. So we're gonna remove the tappet cover now.
Lose the brakes. Running circles round these rappers like a hula hoop. This shit is like a book, I'ma leave you shook if you take a look. I'm mesmerized. They be clocking me for that homicide. Kill season about to blow and show rappers they true demise. R.I.P. Juice WRLD, flexing with my new girl. Killer beats with bars, one stone, two birds. My homie told me I'm probably the best in TPT because he never heard another rapper spit like me. Pause, because your rappers claim to be the best. I'm not gonna say the same shit again and lie to myself like I'm up next. Real shit, I'm that problem you cannot deal with. Pull up to your show uninvited and I'ma steal it. Niggas call me a misfit, always been on a mission. I'm a bad guy, but I always had good intentions. I'm a different dimension, you a different division. Talk shit with me, you'll be the next that I mention. I'm a product of the struggle, I gotta stay on my hustle. If you got a small mind, you weak, but all that muscle, this is trouble. I'm working straight on a double. You dug your own grave, this is me providing a shovel, yeah. You took shots, but never prepared a muzzle. I know I'm getting better, so I'll always stay humble. I could slip, never stop.
So basically remove that bolts there, the two bolts. This one, and that one. Remove that, that's obviously for the engine cover. So yeah, this is removing the other bolts. It's part of that engine cover.
I could fall, never fumble. I can rap, but you know damn well I'll never do mumble. Finna burn you niggas, purge you niggas. Learn verses in cursive on purpose, purposely cursed like this in a hearse. You heard it first, fuck the universe. Sheesh.
Acrobatic, I'm still manic, making them panic. Black magic, rap addict, crazier than rap addicts.
I can do this shit all day long. Rap to me is like breathing, it's a part of my lungs. Somebody tells where your funk flex, I'm willing to kill it. I'm blowing the speakers, somebody call LA Leakers. I hope they hear me in the south. I really hope the Westwood, I'm only getting bigger, double XL.
Let's go the battery terminals, the one terminal, because we're gonna be busy about all the wires and plugs and stuff that go to the earths and whatever, just to be on the safe side.
Checkbook, look, I could blow up like dynamite, like I'm CFO. Bars like Mick Mill, not after the bars before. You catch that? You rappers is juvenile, spitting small time bars. Bet you niggas stupidity crimes, I'm like 50. But before he tried to get rich, I'm like Pac. But way before I had the world against him, I'm some like Biggie, I'm chasing dreams. It wasn't all a dream. Leave the streets bloody in 2020. Fuck with my team, nigga.
Got it, bro. Fire looking friendly from this power flow. Honest, bro. All of the lyrics sound like your mama jokes. Dropping hoes like dominoes over their head like obstacles. Funky bloods are tropical through the tropics. I gotta go. Switching to the tropic, my only option. Two topics, stop it, hit the beat, and rock it. Fuck it, coming from the bottom. Bodies dropping, popping, locking over heads. It must be ducking. Know the squad they wanna fuck with killing seasons. Just begun. Shit's homicidal, audible.
So the timing cover's out, and yeah, that is basically how it looks. So basically this is the timing cover now off, and yeah, here you can see the spot is still there, bro. But the spot here, it's like plastic, it's like fake hard. So that just most probably where it is leaking. That's the tensioner, and then yeah, I'm just gonna clean the cover up now. And then there you can see where it was leaking there on the inside, on that side as well. It was leaking. So yeah, I've heard before where guys say you must take out the engine to replace this. You don't have to, as we didn't take out the engine now. But yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna put a new one now. This is the other O-ring. So this is the one where the water pump comes. I did show early on in the previous part. So this is the one over here, and this is the other one that goes over here. Basically, the timing.
All that I do, always saw you try to see from my view when the light will blind you. 2020 vision, we ascending. You stuck in the time to be the reason for someone believing they can rise and fly to.
2020 vision, think my future isn't lighting. Used to base my life on fear, now I am what I put my mind to. Shy away from corners, aura glowing like the sun. I think I'm burning up some nuns and bridges, followed by the sender. Ripping with my niggas, sons are calling nation wildin', trying to mend a lifeline out of broken glass. Lost within the metro, couldn't send a letter home. Found myself, Johnny looks friendly fire at the border, vision blurry for these niggas, open up and get your figure. So I'm like Jay-Z, rock the nation. 351, I get the power, money, but your bank late. Third I gang, I'm heaven sent, glowing like the heavens gates. I'm paving into kill season. MK get the beat again. You got that with the feature, life is good, so we.
Kill season. I pray to God he don't run up on me, cause I done seen these niggas take a life. I'm getting paid but I feel lonely, and I look to God if I need advice. All I say is let's get it, homie. Really I don't need to even tell him twice. A ghetto kid knowing war only, grew up walking around with a knife. They try to run up on me, woo. Yeah, but I am not ready to die. Yeah, I know they plotting on me, woo. You know I gotta survive. For real, I about it niggas way back when I thought I was rapping for fun. Rapping for fun? I'm killing niggas with words.
You can see this chain is still good. There's no chain is not stretched or anything. There we go. Look how bad it looks there. All the way leak. But his engine is still nice. It's cold inside. That's a good sign at least, because he changes oil on time. Fucks the boot up because of the oil. Well, basically, when the oil taps on there, the plastic or the rubber of anything, basically of the heat, it turns hard, and that's what happens when it breaks. But yeah, joint still good, everything's nice still. Now I was just gonna clean off everything now and put everything back, and then yeah, sorted.
Y'all pull out a gun. Pull out a gun. I got a team, we put in work, recording album a week, but you niggas are sleeping, never sleeping. I got a reason to take out this gun if you weak. I gotta elevate, I ain't tryna be featherweight. I smoke a blunt, record, now that's meditate. I gotta levitate, gotta improve, gotta show my city that I'm loving the view. Ayy, what that mean? I'm headed to the top, I ain't never gonna stop. I'ma drop like I'm a rock, all my bars are heavy. I don't think a nigga's ready. I'm headed to war and choppers like I'm a shitty. Ayy, you see my homies never really saw the vision. Gotta ask permission for my own mission. Nah, fuck that, I'ma stay wildin', changing flows, but you niggas thought I'm freestyling. Nigga, be quiet, I'ma cause a riot. I'm fired, better than everybody I hired. A real challenge desired. Boy, I rap so good and all I did was try. I pray to God he don't run up on me, cause I done seen these niggas take a life. I'm getting paid, but I feel lonely, and I look to God if I need advice. All I say is let's get it, homie. Really, I don't need to even tell him twice. A ghetto kid knowing war only, grew up walking around with a knife. They try to run up.
So, new water pump gasket, new timing cover gasket. So yeah, that should sort out the leak.
Yeah, but I am not ready to die. I know they plotting on me. Yeah. You know I gotta survive. Satisfied with being black, nigga. Yeah. Even though I hate the past, nigga. Sure. Haters hate your vision cause they ain't in it. It don't take that much to be this independent. How my squad winning, all we talk about is that we hit it all business. Here to finish whatever these rappers couldn't finish. Yeah, I feel it fitting that you think you're the baddest, nigga, but y'all just acting. Everybody action, I'm a rap assassin. They call me the dragon. Here to smoke these rappers. They chase the dragon, but they just couldn't manage.
So yeah, the coil now stored up. New gaskets, timing cover gaskets fitted. Because it's idling quickly. And yeah, I'll insert some pictures. I wasn't here. I went to fetch my daughter at school. But
Hey. Okay, yo, hey. Numb. Tell your bitch, give me that cookie. She was butt naked, still cooking. She want the tea, I book her. I was mob deep, I shook her. All of my niggas ain't staying awake. I got the gin and I fuck it up. Look at her face when I sum it up. Most of y'all niggas are snakes, but can't slide in the pussy. I was a nerd and they said I was late, but these niggas ain't asked to touch it. Okay, let me not slack, but at this rate, you cannot fuck with my rap. On a Thursday, chillin' with Henny and Jack. On my Wednesday, I just call Jenny and Max. If you thirsty, give it to me, put it in the tummy. Coke's the reason I know, so runny. Faucet, she let it drip on my sauce. Sprinkling salt as I walk. Please watch yourself and get lost. What? Hey, she let it drip on my sauce. Sprinkling salt as I walk. Please watch yourself and get lost. What? Tell your bitch, give me that cookie. She was butt naked, still cooking. She want the tea, I book her. I was mob deep, I shook her. Yeah.